Imagine yourself in this Cadillac 2018 XTS Luxury. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, radio, Cadillac user experience with embedded nav, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 8-speaker audio system feature, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio and HD radio, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.